How to design an American living room with wall decor. Hi there. Today I want to share with you 4 living room design ideas that include different ways to use wall decor in your home. The style of these living rooms is American or contemporary, with some elements of modern farmhouse. I love this style because it's easy to replicate anywhere in the world, so let's get inspired. The first living room I want to show you today is full of character. There are so many things happening on this wall, but they work together in harmony. To achieve this look, you will need a blank canvas, meaning a plain wall. This large-scale boho-style wall is the focal point of the entire room. It's big, it's beautiful, and it adds a soft and natural touch to the space. If you are not artistic at all and can't create something like this yourself, don't worry. You can buy ready-made pieces online. There are many options available in different sizes and colors. If you still can't find anything that you like, contact a local artisan. I guarantee you they would be more than happy to help you out. Next, we have these gold frames on top of the bay. They stand out so much because of the dark accent wall and the white mats around the artwork. This combination looks very elegant and sophisticated. If you want to add a similar touch to your living room, go for larger frame sizes. That way they won't get lost on the wall and will make a bold statement. Another great thing about going big with your frames is that you can fill them with pretty much anything you like, even fabric. Just think outside the box and be creative. Lastly, these square gold frames contain black and white photos with white mats. These two elements combined make the images pop out and appear more modern. This is a great way to display your favorite memories while also keeping things looking chic and stylish. As for the rest of the living room, there's a white slip-covered sofa which keeps things light and airy. And then there's a black coffee table with brass legs which brings in some contrast and sophistication. The rug has a mix of neutral tones with pops of color which complements the wall decor perfectly. Overall, this living room is both stylish and inviting, perfect for entertaining guests or just relaxing after a long day. Moving on to the second living room, we have this beautiful example of a dark accent wall paired with gold frames. This time the frames are smaller and they are grouped together in an interesting composition. Again, this creates a sense of depth and dimension on the wall, making it feel less bare and more inviting. What's nice about this gallery wall is that it doesn't have to be perfectly symmetrical to look balanced. The grouping of the frames is what makes it so appealing, not the actual size of each frame. So you can see there's a mix of horizontal and vertical pieces which adds visual interest. And the addition of the mirror in the center draws the eye inward, making the room feel more spacious. The artwork in the frames could be anything you like. It doesn't have to be expensive to look good. In fact, some of the best artwork you can find is in thrift stores. Just keep an eye out for unique pieces that catch your eye. The rest of the living room is decorated in a minimalist Scandinavian style. The sofa is light-colored, as are the curtains and the rug. This keeps the space feeling bright and airy, which is perfect for a coastal home. The natural materials and textures add warmth and depth to the room, while the pops of color and the accessories add personality and charm. Overall, this living room is both relaxing and inviting, perfect for curling up with a good book on a rainy day. Now let's take a look at the third living room. We're continuing with the same style, but this time we have a closer look at a minimalist Scandinavian-style wall art. There's no doubt that art is very important in this type of style, so it's common to see larger pieces hung on one wall. As you can see here, this artwork is a real eye-catcher. It's not too busy or detailed, but it still packs a punch, and the white frame keeps it looking clean and modern. You don't have to spend a fortune on artwork to create a gallery wall like this. There are plenty of affordable options available online, and in some cases you can even create your own artwork by painting on canvas or using stencils. The rest of the decor in this living room is minimal and uncluttered. There are a few carefully selected accessories that add personality to the space without overwhelming it. For example, this black and white photograph on the side table adds a touch of drama without being too heavy. And the wall hanging behind the sofa adds texture and warmth without being too busy. The sofa itself is simple and functional, with clean lines and a comfortable look. And the light wood floors and furniture keep the space feeling bright and airy. The rug anchors the space while adding a pop of color and pattern. The overall effect is a calm and serene living room that is perfect for relaxing and unwinding after a busy day. Finally, let's take a look at this amazing living room that features built-in bookshelves with LED lights. This is a great way to add both functionality and style to your home. The built-ins provide much-needed storage space, while the LED lights add a cozy glow to the room, and it's such an easy DIY project that anyone can do. All you need is some basic tools and materials, including a stud finder, a level, and a screwdriver. To get started, measure the wall and determine where you want the bookshelves to be placed. Then use a stud finder to locate the studs in the wall and mark them with a pencil. Use a level to draw a line across the top and bottom of the bookshelves. And finally, use a screwdriver to attach the bookshelves to the wall. Once the bookshelves are in place, you can install the LED lights. This part is easy since most LED kits come with all the necessary hardware. Just follow the instructions and you'll be done in no time. You can also hire a professional to do it for you if you do and feel comfortable working with electricity. And once everything is set up, you can start filling in the bookshelves with your favorite books and accessories. This is a great way to personalize your living room and make it truly your own. By mixing and matching different sizes and styles of books, you can create a look that is both stylish and functional. And don't forget to add some plants to the mix. It'll bring life to the space and make it feel even more inviting. The black and white color scheme in this living room keeps things looking clean and sophisticated, while the natural textures and materials add warmth and depth to the space. The area rug anchors the seating area and adds a pop of color and pattern, while the curtains frame the windows and add a touch of elegance to the room. The overall effect is a cozy and inviting living room that is perfect for relaxing and spending time with loved ones. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I would love to have you back for my next video. Until then.